The day. Cam leo treo means no climbing. Who would have the idea of climbing here?
And they wrote climbing with an E instead of with an I.
Oh yeah, I didn't notice that.
So welcome to the part 2 of the Ninh Binh vlog, day 1, and we had to park quite far from the Pagoda because they don't want any cars to go in, and they're electric cars, so you buy tickets, it's 30,000 dong per person, and it gives you a turn on the electric car, so one back and forth. So there you go.
Okay, quick. The knees or the hands brings luck, right?
Yeah. There are like hundreds of them, and there are thousands of like
Yeah.
the little gold one in the wall.
I was trying to film each of them, but I think I'll give up.
And it's so far, like you can
Yeah,
see it.
it's
so
just
far.
going on and on and on. Is it real?
Yeah, it's a real rock.
It's a real rock?
Yeah.
But it's not a real turtle.
No,
I mean,
it's not a real turtle, it's a real rock.
wow.
See? The shape
Yeah.
is crazy, yeah?
Yeah, they have a lot of imagination.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Tower is massive. Super nice.
It's called a stupa.
A stupa?
It says way to the stupa. What's a stupa?
I guess the stupa is this.
Pagoda.
Alright guys, so we are at the new word I just learned. The stupa. That's such a weird word.
I know, that's what it says, ticket to visit the stupa. So we didn't pay anything to enter the Pagoda aside from the ticket for the electric car. But to visit the stupa, it's 50,000 dong per person. And there's an elevator inside that will take you to the 13th floor. Let's go. The view should be amazing.
Oh wow. Oh my god, I didn't expect that. The ceiling's all gold. Before you enter, you have to put on these
Over your outside shoes. There you go.
so you can mop the floor at the same time, you know. Wax on, wax off. Oh my god. We're turning in the tower. I'm dizzy right now. It keeps turning to go up. Elevator from here. Woohoo!
Oh my god, guys.
What is it? Holy cow! Okay, I shouldn't be saying holy cow, but it's a sin. It's a sin. Wow, the view here, guys. It's very impressive. Now you understand, you know, why you've been walking all along here. It's a beautiful garden. This is so beautiful. You can see the clouds. We're on the hill already, and this tower, it's even higher.
We only see that one. There's another one even nicer with the dragon bed.
Wow, yeah.
Dragon
It's
bed.
beautiful. Oh, wow.
The clouds, it looks like heaven. It's so crazy.
And there's a giant Buddha there.
I think there are lots of giant Buddhas.
I wasn't so sure to pay 50,000 dong just to have a view, but what discouraged me is the idea of, you know, climbing the stairs, but what sells it is that there's an elevator.
Yeah.
But really, it is worth it.
It's
you
so
know?
worth it.
Yeah,
I
the
don't regret
view,
it at all.
Oh my god, it's very unique in Ninh Binh. More stairs. Wow, he's massive right here, standing on the top of the hill. looking at the other tower where we were. At the temple here, it's done now. It took us 2 hours.
Yeah, but we went through everything quite fast. So you guys might want to calculate up to 3 hours for this pagoda, but it's really working. Everything is really beautiful. Now it's already past 5. We've been out for 8-9 hours now.
Yeah.
So we're quite tired. We'll head back to the hotel, go to the gym, and see you guys at the night market.
Alright guys, we're back. We're at Fodibol, which is a walking street in Ninh Binh. It's very local.
Yeah, they block it up from 5:30 to 11:30 at night, and there are tons of food and toys and little cars for kids, a lot of stuff. So we've been here yesterday and we loved it so much. We wanted to show you guys how it is. But they also have tons of stuff on the side for only 10,000 dong. So what I have here is some mango, but it's like the green kind, that they're really crunchy. They're not really sweet, they're kind of sour, and they put it in a spicy paste, so they're really spicy. So it's sour and spicy and a little bit sweet at the same time. It's a really great mix of flavor.
So we order a portion, actually it's 2 portions of bánh xèo. You have here that Vietnamese pancake.
Yeah, they are here. They're 20,000 dong for 3 small ones. So we have 6 over here, and we ate some in Ho Chi Minh, and that's like the street food version. So you have some rice paper right here that you're supposed to put at the bottom, but I like it just with salad. So you grab a salad. Let me grab a bigger one. Whoa, there's just so much food here. And then you have to roll it like this, like Miss Linguini showed us. And you dip it in the fish sauce. Really good. You want a bite, babe?
Sure. Oh wow. Perfectly crunchy from the inside, outside it's soft. And the fish sauce is just perfect. To get you guys an idea of what it tastes like, it is salty. They add some sugar and some lemon inside also, and they dilute that with some water. So it's almost like a recipe of lemonade, except that it is salty. So it tastes really good with the food.
Yeah, they make it really, like the lady here make it really good, and so, it tastes like a little bit like coconut as well.
Yep. This is a new stand. This is called bánh tráng Đà Lạt. It's like Vietnamese rice paper that it's mixed with, you know, eggs, and I took the all dress, which comes with some shrimp, some dry beef, and this is the magic sauce. I think it's spice, it's chili. There's some mayonnaise also. Wow, hấp dẫn quá. Cảm ơn em nhiều nha. Alright guys, let's try this bánh tráng Đà Lạt. Oh wow. It's like a Vietnamese tacos. Delicious.
Something a little bit more unusual. This is quail eggs, but they have been fecunded already. So usually the eggs you eat are not fecunded. So in those ones, the baby chicks already start growing. And she cooked this with the tamarind sauce. So that's what the sauce you see it's in. We haven't eat those eggs in quite a while.
Yeah, actually, I never eat quail eggs that are
like
fecunded.
The chicken egg.
Yeah.
That's been. They call it a surprise egg. Because you never know. Like they try to pick like the eggs that are not too grown yet. So like no feathers.
Yeah, because actually, if you pick one that are too old, you get actually and it tastes weird. But if you get it at the right time, it's just a bit crunchy and firm, has a texture, more than a cooked egg, you know. So,
and if you're vegan, you can stop watching now.
Yeah, we're so sorry, guys. But if you like to discover new kind of food,
try anything once, okay?
Yeah. You know, YOLO everything.
We don't eat this often, but sometimes, very rarely, once every 3 years, we do try it.
Okay, Jade, you want to take a first bite?
Yeah, so that's one full egg. I'm always like hesitant before I eat those.
Oh, come on, you can do this.
Yeah, I know I can, but it's just every single time like, is it gonna be bone?
But there's no feather. You can clearly see it.
Looks fine. Okay, let's go.
Don't look too long. So, is it like tofu?
It's just perfect. It has like a crunchy part, and the rest is really soft. But the tamarind sauce is so good. This lady cooks really, really well. We had snails, like the big snails from her yesterday. I'm gonna have like the smaller one because we came too late. There was no more of the big ones. But she cooks really, really well.
Oh my God.
It's good, huh?
Yeah. If you didn't tell me that this was,
Surprise egg.
Yeah, quail fecunded egg, I wouldn't know. Oh, this one smells so good, guys. This is apsui. They pick it up from the mountain, and actually this one is cooked with some lemongrass and some chili. The way you eat that, it's very special. The snail, they cut the tail right there. You can see it, you know, they just smash it right there. And this is the entrance where the head's supposed to go out.
So you take a snail, you suck it out, so the meat is on top here, because that's why she cut the tail, so you can suck it out. And then that's the snail when it comes out with the tool she gives you. What I like to do, because I like it very clean and reduce my chances of having tummy ache, I take out this curly part. It's like whatever they ate, which is normally okay too, but I just take it out. So I just eat the fleshy part of the snail.
It's a lot of work to eat small snails like these, but you guys know what? Vietnamese, we like to, just kill time, and this is one good way to kill time, and just having a beer, drink with your friends. Yeah. It comes to the time of the words of the day. So today's words would be bao nhiêu. Bao nhiêu. It means how much. I think this is very important when you travel. Bao nhiêu. Alright? So it means how much. Anyways, this is it for today, guys. We hope you guys enjoyed the temple and all the food that we share with you guys.
Yeah, tomorrow we're heading to another beautiful natural reserve that's called Tam Cut.
Yeah, Tam Cut Cave, I think so.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. As usual, click on the likes button, leave us a comment below. You can ask us what to teach you other stuff in Vietnamese. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.